Thank you for your interest in this property. If this property doesn't interest you, we can show you any property listed with any company. Welcome to your dream one-level patio home nestled in a serene cul-de-sac setting. This well-maintained two-bedroom oasis boasts modern comforts and thoughtful design throughout its 1,144 finished square feet. Step inside to discover an inviting open floor plan, perfect for entertaining or simply relaxing in style. The kitchen features a convenient island and comes fully equipped with all appliances, including a refrigerator, stove/oven, microwave, dishwasher, washer, and dryer, making meal prep a breeze. Retreat to the spacious master suite complete with a full private bathroom featuring a luxurious walk-in tub, offering the ultimate relaxation experience. A second full guest bathroom ensures comfort and convenience for family and guests alike. Park with ease in the attached two-car garage, providing ample space for vehicles and storage. Built in 2003, this home exudes quality craftsmanship and timeless appeal. Outside, enjoy the lush greenery of the private common area, accessed via a sliding glass door, perfect for outdoor gatherings or quiet moments of reflection. Let the in-ground sprinkler system take care of your lawn maintenance, while the private association handles common area upkeep, road maintenance, and more, ensuring a hassle-free lifestyle. Experience the epitome of comfort, convenience, and tranquility in this charming abode. Don't miss your chance to make this exceptional property yours. Schedule your tour today.